This might be one of the most shocking transformations you'll see today. A young woman walked in, completely unaware of what was happening to her body. At first, it looked like a small issue, something easy to ignore, but over time, it turned into something much worse. By the time she came in for help, the condition had already spread, and what doctors found was honestly disturbing. Stay until the end because the final result will completely surprise you. It all started with poor hygiene and neglect. Dirt, bacteria, and oil slowly built up on the skin. At first, there were just a few small spots, but then things got out of control. The affected area became covered with thick buildup, irritation, and even signs of infection. You can clearly see how severe it became. Dark patches, swollen areas, and trapped debris deep inside the skin. Even worse, tiny parasites and bacteria started feeding on the buildup. The patient began experiencing discomfort, itching, and eventually pain. But she kept ignoring it, hoping it would go away on its own. Unfortunately, it didn't. Now the treatment begins. First, the area is carefully examined. Special tools are used to remove the surface buildup. You can see how the thick layer starts breaking apart, revealing what's hidden underneath. Next, deep cleaning starts. Every infected spot is treated one by one. The debris is removed, the skin is cleared, and slowly the condition starts improving. The parasites are carefully eliminated and the damaged skin is cleaned thoroughly. This process takes time and requires extreme precision, but step by step, the transformation begins. You can literally see the skin coming back to life. The redness fades, the swelling reduces, and the surface becomes smooth again. This is the most satisfying part, watching something so severe slowly return to normal.
And finally, after all that work, the results are incredible. The skin is completely clean. No more buildup, no more infection. Just a smooth, healthy surface. Even her face shows the difference. From discomfort and pain to relief and confidence. It's hard to believe this is the same person. This transformation shows just how important proper care really is. Because ignoring small problems can sometimes lead to much bigger ones. So here's the question. Would you take care of it early? Or wait until it gets this bad? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to watch till the end next time. Because you never know what might be hiding beneath the surface.